my view, they've made at least 3 serious errors. One, and the appellate court said that the fact that he believed his actions were lawful and proper is irrelevant, and it was properly excluded from the jury. That is not the law. The Supreme Court just ruled this term that guilty knowledge is an element of proof for any criminal offense, and this is no exception. Now, it's true if you know you're stealing from someone, you can't say, I thought I was allowed to do it. But this case is different. This case is about politics. Mr. Blagojevich tried to follow the rules as he understood it, and the jury should have been allowed to hear that defense. Now, understand, he never put a penny in his pocket. This is not like Jesse Jackson Jr. never took a penny out of his campaign fund. He bought his own Cubs tickets, he bought his own clothes. He never took favors, personal favors from campaign contributors like Governor McDonald in Virginia. This is pure politics. What he did was try to raise campaign cash, which is his job as governor. It's not something he enjoyed doing, but that was his job. Now, the law is murky. The courts have said the law is murky. He tried to follow it as best he could. And besides, the trial court said if he gets on the stand and testifies, he can tell the jury about his view of the law. And he got on the stand and began to testify. The judge changed his mind and said, no, you can't do it. The appellate court doesn't even mention this fact in its opinion. Second, the jury was clearly misinstructed about the law of extortion.
We've waited a long time for this decision, and we are very disappointed. This all started when Amy was 12 years old. She's now going to be 19, and our younger daughter, Annie, is now 12, the same age that Amy was when this whole ordeal began for us. The only thing good that I can say today is that possibly this is a step in the right direction of getting Rod home with his family. There hasn't been a day that's passed in the last 7 years that hasn't been tainted by the sadness of these proceedings.